The 2025 Suzuki CS continues its journey as one of the most dependable and stylish sedans in the midsize segment, offering a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and efficiency. Known for its practicality and premium feel, the new CS has been refreshed to meet the demands of modern car buyers who want elegance along with performance at an affordable price. Suzuki has refined its design language to give the sedan a bolder and more sophisticated look, ensuring it appeals to both young professionals and families alike. The front fascia now carries a sharper grille with chrome accents, sleeker LED headlights, and a more sculpted bumper that enhances its road presence. The side profile remains elegant with smooth character lines and alloy wheel options that add to its premium appeal. At the rear, updated LED taillamps and subtle chrome detailing give it a polished finishing touch. Step inside the 2025 CS, and the cabin immediately showcases Suzuki's focus on comfort and convenience. The interior is more spacious than most of its competitors in this class, offering excellent legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Premium upholstery, soft touch materials, and a cleaner dashboard design make the environment inviting. The updated infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and connected car technology, ensuring seamless integration with smartphones. Other highlights include automatic climate control, ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a premium sound system, all designed to enhance the overall driving experience. The rear seat comfort remains a strong point, with ample cushioning and rear AC vents making long journeys more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki CS is expected to continue with its reliable 1.5-liter petrol engine, paired with both manual and automatic transmission options. Suzuki has also worked on improving fuel efficiency, a trademark of the CS, making it one of the most economical sedans in its class. Additionally, there are strong expectations of a mild hybrid variant that combines efficiency with lower emissions, catering to the growing demand for eco-friendly mobility solutions. The sedan delivers a smooth and composed ride, with suspension tuned for comfort on both city streets and highways. In terms of safety, the 2025 CS is equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control in higher trims. These upgrades reflect Suzuki's commitment to improving passenger safety and keeping up with global standards. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki CS positions itself as a well-rounded sedan that combines style, comfort, technology, and affordability. It appeals to buyers looking for a reliable daily driver as well as those who value premium features without stretching their budget. With its refined looks, spacious cabin, efficient performance, and enhanced safety, the new CS is set to remain a strong contender in the sedan market and continue its legacy as one of Suzuki's most trusted models.